There are days when I drive and I'm like, yo, you're driving a VII GSR, you know, that's the only one in Lucia. So sometimes I feel like that, and it's a great feeling. This is the car that Brian drove in one of the scenes of the movie. So 7, because 789 is my favorite chassis. So the 7 is like the same chassis but affordable version. Definitely, if you want to get a car like this, you have to be motivated to save some serious money to get it. I tried the banks, credit union. It's like everybody's like, it's an old car, it's a 2001. They don't care whatever type of car it is and the valuation. But it was very difficult. Very, very difficult getting this car. It just feels amazing, like knowing that I have my dream car. Especially nighttime when all the lights on the dashboard are on and I'm in the seats and I'm driving. So driving this car just feels amazing. You know, I made the right decision buying this car. Definitely. Made the right decision. So it's like stockish modification. So I have Gates racing timing belt and balancer belt, cold air intake, HKS blower valve, EGR delete, decatted exhaust, XCD clutch disc, aftermarket oil cooler. So initially my dream figure of power would be like somewhere about 450. So definitely to come Evo 9 turbo, full 3-inch exhaust, cams, definitely GSC S2 cams, maybe cam gears, ETS intercooler with a short route intercooler piping. Yeah, that should get me close to 450. Right now, I think my forte is trending to building a car which can go through the double lane very quick. I'm more focusing on a lot of suspension work to take the corners, because definitely, you know, I'm the best at taking corners, right? I still really can't believe that it has happened, because silver was like my dream color, and ordering a silver one from Japan, it was just out of my budget. I couldn't afford it. Getting the opportunity to put it in the silver was a big plus for me. This car has made me cry a lot. Yeah, so right now I think I'm just trying to enjoy it and just make the best of it. Coming to the garage every day, working on it, doing little stuffs, and getting it to where it is now is like the best feeling ever.